Welcome back to Season 1 of the Nurtec DieCast Ramp Racing Series. Here is your 42-car lineup for race number 6. Starting off, the 3 of Austin Dillon, the 24 of William Byron, the 4 of Kevin Harvick, and the 20 of Christopher Bell. And here they come. Season 1, Race 6 is underway. Harvick with the early lead. He's going to make contact with Christopher Bell. They're all going for the wall. And a very close finish at the line. Did Harvick get his nose across? If not, Byron was coming in hot. Alright, here's the best angle we have of this finish. You can see Byron has his nose across the line, and Harvick just mere centimeters, millimeters even away from finishing. Next up is the 5 of Kyle Larson, the 10 of Aric Almirola, the 1 of Kurt Busch, and the 47 of Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Here they come. All 4 seem to be neck and neck. Now Kurt Busch getting spun. It's going to be Ricky Stenhouse Jr. winning the close battle, and he is going to move on. Next up is the 99 of Daniel Suarez, the 33 of Austin Cindric, the 11 of Denny Hamlin, and the 43 of Erik Jones. Here they come. Hamlin gets his nose out front. Austin Cindric heat-seeking against the 43, and Denny Hamlin, for the first time, somebody has knocked Daniel Suarez out in the first round. Denny Hamlin moves on. Next up is the 7 of Corey LaJoie, the 22 of Joey Logano, the 00 of Quin Houff, and the 21 of Matt DiBenedetto. Here they come. LaJoie out to the early lead. He gets turned by the 00. LaJoie sliding backwards across the line, and everybody else is going to crash into the wall. Next up is the 12 of Ryan Blaney, the 42 of Ross Chastain, the 14 of Chase Briscoe, and the 23 of Bubba Wallace. Here they come. Ross Chastain getting his nose out front. Bubba Wallace, hard crash into the wall. Ross Chastain is going to win, no problem for the 42 car. Next up is the 9 of Chase Elliott, the 17 of Chris Buescher, the 38 of Anthony Alfredo, and the 66 of Timmy Hill. Here they come. Anthony Alfredo out to the early lead. Chris Buescher getting spun by Chase Elliott. Alfredo heading for the wall. Timmy Hill backs across the line. He steals the win from the 38. Next up is the 51 of Cody Ware, the 96 of Ty Dillon, the 18 of Kyle Busch, and the 8 of Tyler Reddick. Here they come. Ty Dillon out to the early lead. He's going to steer right into Kyle Busch. Everybody's going toward the wall. Ty Dillon on top of Kyle Busch and upside down. And Cody Ware just won another race. Alright, so here they come. Ty Dillon has already turned into Kyle Busch, and then he just like many other flips, just gets thrown into the air by Kyle Busch's front bumper, and Cody Ware just won another race. You gotta be kidding me. Next up is the 53 of Joey Gase, the 77 of Justin Haley, the 6 of Ryan Newman, and the 34 of Michael McDowell. Here they come. Ryan Newman getting his nose out front. He's getting turned by Justin Haley. They're into the wall hard. Ryan Newman on his lid, but comes across the line to win. Wow. Alright, here they come to the line. Newman getting turned by Haley and Gase. McDowell is so close to finishing right there. He would have won if he had just crossed the line there. Ryan Newman, though, vicious crash. But lucky for him, he comes across the line on his lid to win. Next up is the 41 of Cole Custer, the 15 of James Davison, the 52 of Josh Bilicki, and the 16 of AJ Allmendinger. Here they come. James Davison with his nose out front. He's getting turned by his teammate Bilicki. They're all heading for the wall. The sky's clear for Cole Custer. He wins without any obstructions, and he'll move on. Next up is the 37 of Ryan Preece, the 2 of Brad Keselowski, and the 19 of Martin Truex Jr. Here they come. Preece in the 37 with the early lead. He's heading for the wall. Gets slammed by Truex Jr. Up into the air goes the 37. Did he get across the line there? We'll have to look at it again. So here they come. Preece, all he has to do right there is go straight. Instead, he goes for the wall right there. He does cross the line, so he is the winner of this race. Then he gets projected into Truex's right side window. Flies into the air. He's lucky to come back down on all fours. but Ryan Preece is moving on. Next up is the 88 of Matt Crafton, the 78 of BJ McLeod, and the 48 of Alex Bowman. Here they come. They're all neck and neck here. They're coming down the transition. McLeod and Bowman heading for the wall. Crafton spinning out, but he is going to take the win. He flips after the line. Well, that does it for our opening round here in race number 6. Here are the cars that have advanced into round number 2. Starting off, we have the 6 of Ryan Newman, the 7 of Corey LaJoie, and the 24 of William Byron. Here they come. LaJoie out front early. He's heading for the wall. He spins into the wall, crashes. Byron hits LaJoie across the line, and Newman lands on top of the 24. Okay, I didn't think LaJoie was going to finish right here as he crashes into the wall, but here comes Byron with the save of the year. LaJoie crosses the line, and then Newman. We talk a lot about guys landing on top of Newman. Well, he lands on top of Byron this time. Next up is the 88 of Matt Crafton, the 11 of Denny Hamlin, and the 51 of Cody Ware. Here they come. Crafton and Hamlin neck and neck. Hamlin going to take out Cody Ware. That is going to give the win to the 88 of Matt Crafton. Next up is the 42 of Ross Chastain, the 41 of Cole Custer, and the 37 of Ryan Preece. Here they come. Ryan Preece out in the lead. Custer spinning. Chastain spinning the 37, but it's not going to matter. Ryan Preece is moving on. Next up is the 47 of Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and the 66 of Timmy Hill. Here they come. 47 and 66, neck and neck. It's going to be a drag race to the line. Contact made. Timmy Hill gets his nose out in front. He's moving on to the semifinals. And speaking of the semifinals, here are your 4 cars that have advanced this far in race 6. Our first semifinal matchup is the 37 of Ryan Preece versus the 88 of Matt Crafton. Here they come. Preece and Crafton neck and neck, drag racing to the line. Crafton is going to put the 37 in the wall. Matt Crafton is moving on. Next up is the 66 of Timmy Hill and the 7 of Corey LaJoie. Here they come. LaJoie out in front. He's heading for the wall. So is the 66. The 7 crashes hard, but he's going to spin across the line. Corey LaJoie into the finals. And now for our third place matchup, the 37 of Ryan Preece versus the 66 of Timmy Hill. Here they come. Ryan Preece out to the early lead. Here comes Timmy Hill fighting back, and they were neck and neck as they came across the line. Who got it? Well, here is the finish. Timmy Hill has his bumper out in front of the 37. Considering this is the third place race, I am very excited for the finals. "42 cars entered this race. 2 cars remain. Matt Crafton looking to lock himself into the playoffs, while Corey LaJoie looks to win back-to-back races. Here they come. LaJoie with the advantage, but he's heading for the wall. LaJoie crashes hard. Matt Crafton sneaks by. He's going to win round 1. Here they come. LaJoie again out front. This time it's Crafton heading for the wall, and LaJoie gets an easy victory in round 2. Here they come. Winner takes all. LaJoie with the advantage. Crafton spinning out again. LaJoie spins as well, but he gets across the line. Corey LaJoie is a back-to-back NDRRS winner.